So hi guys, today we are not going to learn the science, maths or cooking. Today we are going to learn in art. This art is the clock art. The clock is in the marks, and the first video is we learn clock learning activity. In some days the clock learning activity part 2 will come. So like my all videos and subscribe and share. So now I will tell you which things we have for making the clock. First we have this plate, then we have this pencil, and important, we have this cardboard, and now we have this small paper. Now we have this card sheet, then we have the glitchy paper, then we have the glitter stickers, and then we have the number stickers, then we have this two scissors, then we have the crayon, then we have this, three stickers. Look, it is visible, no? After that we have this oregano paper. In this oregano paper, we speak it at Marathi ghoti papers. And then wait, we have saw sticks. Yes, 2 minutes. So guys, we have this all scales. After that we have this. After that we have this pen. After that we have this eraser. And after that we have this sharpener. After that we have this Fevicol glue, and after that we have this sketch pen in pencil holder. So my all things is covered. Now I am make the clock. So for that I am come here, and this is the dish. And you thinking in clock making which thing is this? So for draw circle we use the dish. So now I am drawing the circle. Look, this is the circle. Okay, now I am cutting the circle with this big scissors. Using the small scissors. So guys, in video there is not any hard work, but in real that is very hard work. So guys, in this my mama is helping me because I do not that I'm not do this card on this card sheet. Okay, on this card sheet, helping this plate, we have to draw this circle and cut it. So guys, we have drawn a circle. Now I am cutting this using the small circle. So guys, it is cutted. Now I am cutting like this one circle using the card sheet because we have to paste it on it. So now I am seeing this is correct or not. Yes, this is correct. Now please do this straight, Mama, because I don't know. Yes, now we have this Fevicol. So now on this card sheet, means cardboard, I am pasting very much Fevicol. So this is the extra part. Now, no, not extra part. We have to push these. Now first of this, in the stickers we have to paste this now. So in the stickers 11 1 1 and 12 1 1 there is not. So first this is the glitter sheet. With this glitter sheet I am cut the 11 1 1 and 12 1. So for that I have this scale for drawing the one. This much. This much. In this also my mama is helping me because in second data sheet I will do. Oh no? Okay, let me do. So here is my clock. Now my mama is doing that two ones. In that time I am take this other numbers. I'm cutting because that is not opening that. Okay, my mama take in that time. Yeah, and my mama is doing there another thing. From mama, you're doing that thing. That from them I take camera and okay. So guys, first I write using this black sketch pen numbers and then I am stick. Okay. Here we have to write the 12th number. And here or here. We have to do the 5 minutes distance. Mama is doing and because I don't know that thing. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So guys, this is the clock using writing the numbers. Now this is the stickers and this 2, 1. Now we stick it. So first add the place. This is the 1 number. We stick it at once. This is the 1 number. Look. This 6. Stick the 2 number. Now we stick the 3 number. Now we stick the 4 number. Now after that we stick the 5 number. After that I am sticking the 6 number. And look, this is the red line now. This is the red line. That is not same to same at this glitchy page. 6, 7. This is the 6. This is the 7. I'm sticking the 8 number. Then 9. And after that, this 1 and this 0. Chalo. Here is the 0. And here is the 1. And now we have another one of 11. That one is at orange color. And now I'm sticking this at cutting one. And then this 11. So that was sticking one. This is our sticking one. And this is the 2. Chalo, this is done it. Now, here is this. We have this smiley sticker. I am sticking at all numbers this smiley stickers, and my mama is doing that with our means our hands. This is the 5th number. This is the my looking 7. Number. 10 number. 9 number. 8. After that, this 5. I'm sticking so guys, this one number is the last. So guys, 2 minutes. At this center we have to stick the hands. At the center I am doing the dot. Okay. Now I am sticking this 2 only. This is the R hand. And this. This is the minute hand. So, this is the R clock, but first, here, here is the empty part. So, no, not empty. So, guys, any mistake is there in this clock? For that, so you like my video, do like, to share, do comment, and do subscribe. Bye bye.